2022 BMW M5 Competition Black Specs, Premier Options Spec, Safety Feature. 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black is proceeding to see some drinks around the BMW M family. The actual 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black and also the particular 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black Competition have already been revealed with refined yet still rejuvenating revisions. The particular BMW 5 Series has long been in the spotlight for the smartly designed dynamics and stylish types, and the 2022 M5, as endorsed by BMW alone, with all its adjustments, will surely widen up the huge smiles of BMW followers. What you have to get from 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black. The 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black has long been discreetly up-to-date, but all of these delicate changes unveil a new confront in the 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black. The leading fascia is much larger owing to the much larger Renal grills with one sole element of stainless renovated and encompass front side fender. The part account stays unaffected and we like it. There are a effectively proportioned 4-entrance sedan design with the very least loudness. The new BMW M5 is even now a wolf in sheep's outfits. The airflow intakes really work this time close to as opposed to the imitation type seen in the competition. The 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black is an enormous car and its suppress weight also reciprocates, featuring a size. But thanks to its earlier spike of chunky torque, you will almost never experience the pure weight of this bimmer. The tires are remodeled and freshen items up generally for 2022. The rear fascia is the most greatly changed piece during this car, with new guided tail lamps as well as remodeled exhaust suggestions to go with the sharper backside diffuser. The particular 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black and 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black Competition are claimed to be decorated with sophisticated and glamorous decorations. Background ventilated, lighting and cozy leather-based, and Alcantara sewn car seats. An enhanced directing column is moving to put to the pleasant driving knowledge. The most apparent change is the larger display screens that are now encased in the dash panel. Both equally, the digital tool group and the infotainment TV screen will get even bigger to 12.3 from the former 10.5 in. And over are the days or weeks in which you'd have to put in any and every location to your decision for a performance cram track day. Occur the year 2022. All of that is definitely clubbed into one 1M method key located downwards down below to convert your extreme 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black into a level violent unit. BMW has included in the hottest xdrive 7 graphical user interface for the most user-friendly experience of the M5. Specification. The AWD 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black is definitely operated by a 4.4 L2 turbo V8 offering 553 pounds and 600 HP-feet, which is combined to an 8-rate automatic transmission. This wonderful revving motor is all about huge smiles, and you could have a huge one right behind the rims of this bimmer. Additional, the 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black Competition is tuned to give 617 HP at a bigger torque ring. Transmission responsibilities are consumed treatment of by the 8-10 Quickness M Steptronic transmission, which works the finest when it's on the track with faster shift occasions and fast reactions, just the way it needs to be. BMW is noted for presenting velocity, the Lord Quickness. The Governor Limited top-notch performance is 163 miles per hour for the competition sedan. Usually asserted that if the digital shackles are eliminated it could possibly even surge to 190 miles per hour. Also, you have distinct driving methods for sheer driving pleasure as guaranteed by BMW. Suspensions changes in the form of new shocks and a recalibrated damper control system more invigorate the driver to force it perfectly previously typical rates on the freeway, though giving the elevated biking qualities a purist looks for in this particular range of a car. Generally tried out to supply a nicely balanced journey even when it's the drift tender 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black. The 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black has actually been retained mechanically, which will help it control the desire to go all out. The MPG stats shall be retained from final, and the new 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black will come back a wholesome 15 mpg in the metropolis and 21 mpg on the freeway. Good quality amounts if you inquire us. How much the 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black price? We are articles to see the updates fall season in line as predicted, as the 2022 BMW M5 Competition Black has long been presented in all its beauty. The common M5 is charged from $103,500 and the M5 Competition trim commences from $111,100, which is a bit knocked up from the very last M5 rates.